She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, hey, like a light, hey, like a light. Hey, slept through the flight, hey, not for the night. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching another one of my videos. In today's video, I am working with a wig I was sent from Asteria Hair. They sent me out their 6x6 lace closure wig that they made, of course, and this is their deep wave texture. I have it in a 24-inch. When I received this wig from them, I did go in and bleach my knots, and I did customize the hairline to my liking. Right here, I am using a brown eyeliner pencil to mark out the hairline because I am going to use glue to install this wig. And I did go in with my face makeup powder that matches my skin tone to help the lace match my skin. The lace on this, I think on their site they said it was a medium brown, but to me it didn't seem medium brown. It seems lighter than medium brown, but putting the foundation underneath did work out for me. I am using this Gold Spun XL glue to melt down my lace, and I'm using this sponge just like a regular makeup sponge to apply the lace glue, and then I'm taking a rat tail comb and further smoothing it out so that it could dry clear.
Got these other bitches shook, yeah.
I then went in with my silk scarf and tied down my hairline, and I let my scarf stay on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And of course I had to do some baby hairs. I will say though, after letting it sit for a second, it did look really like, you know, scalpy. I was thinking about doing it without baby hairs, but y'all know baby hairs is a part of me. So I'm doing baby hairs. And of course I'm using my Eco Styler as always to mold down my baby hairs.
Man, I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, yeah. Made a price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Baggage in my ice, Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like on Book, wet like on Lizzie. I be spinning poly circle blocks till I'm busy. Like where is it? No one's seen him. I'm tryna, yeah.
Alright, so I'm getting ready to style my hair and put a middle part in. I love how far back the parting goes, y'all. I'm taking my Cara wax stick to help me mold it down. Oh, and right here I'm just using some alcohol to remove the powder that I use to tint my lace. And I'm taking my wax stick and I'm you know, putting that down so whenever I take my hot comb to press it out, it'll be nice and sleek and flat. I don't think I mentioned the density of this wig at the beginning. I do have a 200% density, which I love. Y'all know I love my wigs full, and this 200% density was really nice. Y'all see how full it is? I know I hardly use products on my hair, so I'm using this Lotta Body, which is the GOAT, to go in and help define my curls. Now y'all know I'm a sucker for curly hair. This curly hair was so pretty. The curls were so popping. Like, I wore it more on the defined side, and these curls were so juicy. They were so beautiful. I love this curly hair, y'all.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land.
And I'm just going in right here with my makeup powder that matches my skin tone, to not really to define it, because the part was pretty defined, but because the lace was lighter, I just wanted it to kind of blend in with my skin a little bit more. And I'm taking this coconut water mist. It's like a light oil mist, and spraying it for a little bit of shine. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much a wrap for the install. To think that this is not a frontal and it's a closure, y'all, if you don't like frontals, I'm telling you, get hip with the bigger closures. Like, they're a freaking wave, they're a freaking movement, they're a freaking vibe. I loved it. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give me a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Share this video if you care. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know how you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this unit, would you try it? Would you not try it? But yeah, y'all, I'm gone. I love y'all so much, and I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
In high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands.